Some people are born with passion, while others take a while searching for it. Luckily, I was born with it. Hi, I'm Serah. I'm 12 years old and I'm in 7th grade in Greece Public School, and I'm also an emerging entrepreneur. I was born in the Big Apple, New York City, where all your dreams come true. By the time I was 4, I loved watching TV, especially the TV show called Blue's Clues, because each episode ended with a baking session. After 5 baking sessions, I was determined to bake my own cake. My mom, on the other hand, wasn't so keen on that fact, so instead she bought me a boxed cake mix. I was ready with my oversized apron and my assistant strawberry shortcake, also my imaginary friend, by my side. A few minutes later, hours later, the cake came out of the oven smelling really good. I gave it a tiny taste, and it tasted pretty good. But the surprising fact was that me, a 4-year-old, found the cake too sweet. After a bit of experimenting, box cake mixes replaced itself with measuring cups and eggy messes. Right when I was on the right track, my dad comes home with some good news, I guess. He comes and tells us that we're moving to India. I mean, come on, how am I going to find something related to baking there? The move was really hard. I knew that baking wasn't a suitable option for me, so I took up different interests during those times. Years passed, and that's when the book The Alchemist came out. My mom told me the story of it, and I realized that if you want something bad enough, the universe conspires and brings it to you. That's when my neighbor calls and tells us that she's offering us her stand mixer. Obviously, I said yes. My old hand mixer was rusty and ready to retire. That's when I started baking again. This journey has been amazing and had an amazing path. I hope it continues. I've met such amazing people and I've been able to experience different things. I took different baking classes for people of different ages, as my motto is, there is no age restriction in baking. I had the amazing opportunity to be featured in the Times of India Student Edition newspaper, which is the proudest moment of my life so far. After a ton of orders, my chumbak box was full. I had to open a bank account. Technically not in my name, my mom's, but it is still mine. This path has been amazing, and all I'm trying to say is that find your passion. If me, a 12-year-old, can do it, I'm sure you can too. Thank you.